I've been posting a lot lately about federal sector worker rights, and I've been getting, comments from folks who seem gleeful that these firings are going on, believing that federal workers are lazy and wasting their tax dollars. Well, I'll tell you, I understand that that's a line that's been fed to folks for decades now, but it's not true. Hi, I'm Tom Spiggle with the Spiggle Law Firm. We help people who've been fired or afraid they might be in Virginia, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and California. We represent federal sector workers nationwide. I've lived in the DC area for the better part of 25 years, and I can tell you these federal sector workers are just like you and me. They get up and they go to work, they take their kids to school, they go to church, they buy bagels at your bagel shop, etc. These are not the folks who are living in the multi-million-dollar houses in Northern Virginia and McLean and Montgomery. No shade on those who live in those houses. Congratulations, good for you. But these are not government workers. They are lobbyists, they are lawyers, they are business owners, they are probably the guy who sold the military $600 hammers. Those are the folks who are living in those houses. And yes, there are people who are getting rich off of your tax dollars, but are not federal workers. And you may not know this, but about 85% of federal workers live outside of the DC area, and probably many live near you. And they go to your schools, they have kids in your neighborhood, they go to your churches and your synagogues and your mosques, and they help support your community and do vital work. And I fear what's going to happen is that though people, are buying the line that this is about waste, fraud, and abuse, and it's somehow going to save the taxpayer money, which is not true, in large part, that we're all going to find out the hard way what services these government workers provide us. So when you go to a national park and you can't use the toilet, or you get hurt there and there's nobody to come save you, or the restaurant in your town suddenly has a lot fewer patrons because the government workers there are suddenly and wrongfully out of a job, and so we're all going to pay for that. And sadly, I hope folks wake up to this before it's too late, because we're all going to get hurt by this, and nobody should be happy about what's going on. And if you are, really, you should look into your heart and your soul and think about, what you're saying and why you're saying it.